Welcome back. Well, it's not hard to pick a theme for this weekend. Most party planners will pick red, white, and blue to celebrate the 4th of July. But today, we're going to help you add a little extra pizzazz to your patriotic celebration. Our goal is to make party planning easy and budget-friendly.
Yes, so Shalana Frisbee is our party planning guide today. She is also the craft editor at Country Woman magazine. And boy, do we have some cool crafts to share with you this morning.
So much
Great
fun.
to have you
Thanks
on the
for being
show.
here.
Thank you for having me.
I hope we can get through all of your great ideas because there's so many that are fun. And we have some great photos, too, to kind of visualize the things you're saying. Starting with some kind of cool glasses that you can drink out of and create some fun straws, right?
Yes, yes. With our pirate party, and you can find all of this online at countrywomanmagazine.com, we have some great crafts. We have palm tree straws, and we have some treat bags that you can fill and the kids can take home. So it's very versatile. We also have little folded paper boats, and this treasure box is great because you can fill it with sand and the kids can dig through and find little treasures and treats.
Super cute.
Yeah, sort of like a game.
It is like a game to keep them busy, and you can upsize it in a big wading pool to make it even bigger, so lots of kids can play along.
Yeah, or you could just hide it in a big sandbox in the backyard.
Exactly, exactly.
But that's cute. So you made these little straws and the little boats?
Yes, I made everything, and there's directions online on how to make them. And in our June-July issue, we have picture directions, so it makes it really easy.
Super fun, great craft for the kids to do for your party.
Yeah, I love it.
Put them to work.
That's right. They can do all the work.
Right, and some of the different things that you do, too, in terms of, like, flowers to decorate, and I know that you do fun things with drinks and candles made out of trees. Where do you come up, like that, for example, and we have the example on our table, too, but in that photograph, it just makes the table look so cute, and you basically decorated the vase with tissue paper and some ribbon, right?
It's very easy. We just decorate with tissue paper, kind of what you already have at home. It's a recycled canister underneath, so it makes it really easy. You can use a soda bottle that's cut off. So you're just taking what you already have and you're turning it into something beautiful for your table. And so a lot of these are so simple, you could do in an hour and have your whole table setting done and then have fun with your guests.
See, well, look at these. These are actually just plastic cups and solo cups. But what you used is this fun tape that you can find almost anywhere now, paper tape, and you can decorate each cup to look different so that people can remember. Look at all these fun ones here in front, so people can remember which cup is theirs.
And the kids can decorate their own cups, so you can just lay out a bunch of tapes, you know, and even markers, and let them go after it and decorate.
You have these cute little votives that you made out of jars for a summer corn roast. This time of year, we love our sweet corn, and this is just another themed way to kind of add a little something with the seeds.
Right, it's very easy to do, and you can even hang those. So you could hang them, they're pretty sturdy, and you could put a real candle in it. We have a flameless one there. It's very versatile. You can use other recycled containers, and it just makes it so easy to do.
I love the way they look hanging in trees, and I bet it's a beautiful way to add light to your backyard or patio and do cool decorating on a budget.
It really is. It's great for hanging, and it'll illuminate when you have an evening party. It's good for like a family reunion or your corn roast or just any kind of gathering.
Well, you could put citronella candles in there too to help with bugs, and there are other different types of candle if you don't want to use citronella that kind of help prevent bugs.
For that. Yes.
Yeah,
so
I like
it's
that
kind of
idea.
an all-in-one craft for that.
Well, and so many of these things you can get at just a dollar store. So you really are doing all these wonderful ideas on a budget and making everything just that much more themed.
So easy.
4th of July this weekend, obviously something people are looking forward to. These are some really fun ideas to make it a little more patriotic.
Yes, we have our pinwheels here.
Did you make these?
Yes, I made all of those.
Whoa.
They're so easy to do, and they actually do spin. They're functional. And you just use a square piece of paper, and you're just cutting and folding, and they're so easy to do.
That is so neat. Where's a good place to get fun paper like that?
Any of your local craft stores have fun paper, so you can go to any of those or specialty scrapbooking stores, or order online. You can find anything you want out of season or in season online.
So you just have like a little dowel stick, you have the cut paper to be holding something up, and then you just put like a little pin in the back?
You do, just put a pin in, and if kids are doing this, you can substitute out just glue dots and a button for the center. You don't have to use the pen. It makes it a little easier for children if you want them to do it with you. But these are great for decorating like a centerpiece, or you could put them around your yard. The kids can play with them.
Yeah,
so they're multifunctional little little pinwheels. And the instructions for those are on our website at Country Woman, so you can know how to make all those things, or in our June, July issue.
Okay.
My mom is always looking for containers for silverware, napkins, you know, a lot of times baskets. This is a great idea. You made this with just some cloth.
I did, and a tin can. It's a recycled tin can, and you just cover it.
Can.
It's so easy to do, so you just save your tin cans after you've cut them up. It's so easy, and you can just clean them off and cut your fabric and wrap it and use some decoupage glue, and you have everything you need for your tabletop.
Well, and
So
the way
cute.
that you cut that is so cute, and there's great scissors that you can find at craft stores. You can get
right.
like 5 in a pack, and some of them will make that
You
cool
can,
zigzag
right.
or rounded scalloped edges.
Yes.
Like, I
These
think
are
that's
just
super
paper.
fun.
These are just little paper napkins.
They
I
are.
thought they were cloth. They look so fancy in here.
They're just colored napkins, and it's so easy and so inexpensive to dress up your
And
table.
Chip, hold up
Love
the
it.
other side of this banner so we can show. This is another thing that you made that people can also find out
Yes,
how to
cute.
make. This would look so fun on a door, a front door within your house, hanging from one entry to another or
instruction
something.
on a table. It's,
Yeah.
And it's so easy to make. You can even buy banner-shaped pads now, so you don't have to cut the triangles yourself even. So it makes it even easier.
Nice.
And in terms of 4th of July, there's the colored sand. People can get fun centerpiece ideas by going to the magazine, the June, July issue.
Yes.
I have to know, because I love door wreaths, what this one is made out of.
That one is made out of fabric strips that you just pin
so
to styrofoam.
cool.
So easy. Just cut up fabric strips, really any size, and then you just pin it to your styrofoam wreath base. And it's just
love
super
that.
simple. You can use your scraps up. It's great for the 4th of July, but you could make one for every season,
That's
you know, for your
cute.
door.
Yeah, you just had your garage sale. I'm sure you had a couple leftover items. There
I
you
did.
go.
I even
Make
saw
them.
some fabric.
Yeah, you can.
And I love the colored sand. That's a fun thing for kids to do, because
It
you
is.
really can't mess it up.
No,
Because
you
you
can't.
found red, white, and blue sand and then just kind of layered
You
it
do.
in
You
different
just
glass
pour
dishes.
it in there. You don't have to be careful about it. You know, you can have your little kids pour it in and help you with it. It's so easy to do.
And it looks so cool. I love
swirl it.
that. Okay, so in the June, July issue, people can find all the different ideas we talked about today. 4th of July, the
You can find the
parties.
pirate party, some of the 4th of July stuff, and for the rest of it, the corn roast, you can go to our website.
Okay.
We even have ideas about what corn to buy and how to cook it, so you're all set there. It's all on our website.
I think an
Love it.
old-fashioned corn roast is a great
Sounds
idea.
fantastic.
August and September coming up on newsstands July 9th,
Yes.
and your theme for that is natural DIY home spa products to make yourself.
Right, and I tested all of them myself, and so the recipes are great, and it's a lot of inexpensive things from your kitchen.
Love that.
So, you know, olive oil and other things that you probably already have.
That's
Yeah.
great.
So, yeah.
All right. Thanks so much for being here,
Thank you
Shalana.
so much. I
Great
appreciate
ideas.
it.
That
Thank
was
you for
super
having
fun.
us on.
Thank you, and happy
A lot of
4th
fun.
of July.
You too. Happy 4th of July.
Thank you.
All right, before we head to break, let's take a look at our Arts Cameras Plus picture of the day.
Yeah, Lynn Centenario sent us this cutie pie.
Oh.
Take a look. This is her granddaughter, Mila Johnston. Mila is 11 years old and
11
lives
months.
in Cudahy with her mom and dad, Antonina and Brent. And she was just getting ready a little early for this year's 4th of July.
Oh, so
So
sweet.
cute.
11 months old. That is sweet. Well, don't forget that once a month we select a picture of the day to be professionally framed and matted by our friends at the Great Frame Up of Whitefish Bay. So send us your best pics to pictures@themorningblend.com.
Still ahead, a brand new way to marinate your meat for your summer barbecue. You won't believe how easy it is, too.
Yeah, and up next, Titan Skin with no downtime. We're going to tell you how when we come back.